guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we're going to be doing a how to build a PC from the ground up. Every single task that needs to be done, tightening up every little wire, everything from the ground up. And at the end of this video, right here will be a new one for the next step. So if you are familiar with building it, you want to go right ahead and do that next step, go right ahead. So now we're going to go over the components of this build. We have the Cooler Master Elite 342 micro ATX case. This also includes a 400 watt power supply, which will be plenty powerful enough for the system we are building today. We are equipping it with the Prime, the ASUS Prime B250M-C motherboard. Okay, that's the bad boy we'll be using for this build, and we're using the G4520 LGA 1151 CPU. This is not the Series 300, just so you know. The reason why we're doing this is because the client is requesting Windows 7, and this is the highest we can go to support Windows 7. We're also going to be including 8 gig of G-Skill memory, which is 2400 megahertz at 1739. That's the memory they're going to be using. And then we're going to be installing a 1 terabyte SanDisk solid state drive. And that's what we're going to be doing. So without further ado, let's go to step number 2. You may go to that video now. It'll be right here. We'll see you there. This is going to be great. I'm so excited for you guys. Going to learn how to build a computer. Going to learn how to build a computer the Joe Tech way.